Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I'm going to show you one of the cheapest, as a matter of fact, it'll cost you under $40, and one of the best mods you can make on the interior of your C5 Corvette. Check this out. Alright, see if we can keep this under 5 minutes. Okay, at first glance, you really don't see a whole lot going on here, but if you look real close, you're going to see there's a round cover right here. And if you flip that down, that's a USB port for your passenger to plug in their phone, or for you to plug in your phone, stuff like that, right? So I'm going to show you real quick and easy how fast this is to do. I'm just going to show you an explanation. So this back edge to directly underneath my port, it's 5 inches. Close this back up. If you measure up on it from the bottom edge, it's 1.25 inches up. If you feel behind here, there's a huge gap. So I measured the base of this little bugger and it's 1.1 inches. Went and got myself a hole saw that's 1.1 inches. I marked that spot with a paint marker. Drill the hole straight through there. Installed my USB port, and this is a 5-volt 2.1 amp on top and bottom. They have all sorts of different variations, but charges the phone pretty well. After that, I like to use these connectors. What this does is I take the fuse out, I put the original factory fuse in the bottom position, I plug this in this case I use the cigarette lighter. I put another 20 amp in the top. From there, I ran a piece of wire to here, gave it its positive connection, put another connector on it, and I ran it straight over to the dash frame, put the carpet back in place, and now I got a place that's fused for anyone to plug in whatever it is they would like to plug in. Hope y'all found that helpful. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch y'all next time.